Hello everyone, it's Londa TV guys. I am outside my area in the forest and look what I found. Yes, for those who are new in my channel, I am Londa TV guys. Can you see animal? Yeah, see, just watching me there. You see guys there? Yeah. And I don't know if it's allowed to show you around, but I'm not showing the field because it's like somebody's private area. Yeah, people live here anyway. In Sweden we have many laws, private places, something like that. Yeah, I don't know, I have to go closer. And they ask me what you do that, and then I will say that I was curious. Look at that guys, and I don't know if it's peanuts. These things is peanuts, I think. Yes, I think it's peanuts. I am Bonnie, you see, and we have an animal there. And someone's land, it's not allowed, but anyway I will explain. I'll try to explain it in English, like sorry, I didn't mean it. Yeah guys, very peaceful place. Subscribe, share this video please. Look at us, very beautiful. Sweden, Stockholm. Yeah, it's peanuts. I am Bonnie. It's not allowed in Sweden going around these people private areas or private land, but I will explain. Maybe I will not even use this video. Maybe look at that animal. Look at that. Look at that. She's just watching that. Beautiful. Can you see that, guys? Yeah, in Sweden, guys. Beautiful area. Very peaceful. This is the beauty of the nature. Yeah, I can see the car coming, and then I don't know if it will tell me, because this guy just passed me here, and then he just walking very, look like that. And they come back, maybe he'll tell me how that it's going. Yeah, we have animals in Sweden, yes, guys. Kind of those one, and we have even bear, brown ones. Look at that. This area is very quiet in this forest. Someone lives here. They own this farm. You see, we have traffic lights also here. And it's gone. On the TV, I'm Bonnie. Had this vlog. Yeah, guys, you see, BC. Wow. Enjoy the view, guys. One love, Londa TV. Peace. I am out.